Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to use your phone as gamepad for your Samsung TV. Now whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone, this is going to work out perfectly well for you. First thing you want to do is to head over to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone. So in my case, I'll just open up the Google Play Store app over here. Now from the search bar, usually at the bottom of your App Store, you want to just come inside of this search input field, then search for the virtual gamepad application. So just go ahead and search for virtual gamepad. Now you can already see the suggestion over here, so I'll just search for it, and then this is basically the application. Go ahead and make sure you download and install this app into your iPhone or Android phone. At the top, you can literally see that the application is officially from Samsung, so just make sure you download and install the app into your iPhone or Android phone. Now once the application is done downloading and installing, as you can see, you want to go ahead and open it up directly from here, and trust me, the setup process is quite simple. At this point, you want to first of all make sure that both your phone and your Samsung TV are actually connected to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. So basically, you want to go over to the settings of your Samsung TV, locate the network settings from the general settings on your Samsung TV, and then make sure you connect to your Wi-Fi network or hotspot network. Okay, so I have just connected my Samsung TV to my Wi-Fi network, and as you can see, it is currently checked. And so you want to also make sure that your iPhone or Android phone is also connected to that same Wi-Fi or hotspot network. Now my Android phone over here is already connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Samsung TV, so all I just have to do now is to pair both devices together. But first, you're going to get these instructions on how to use the gamepad. You can go ahead and cancel it by clicking on the cancel button at the top. Now click on the settings icon at the bottom as well, then click on device list, and then here you should be able to find the name of your Samsung TV. All you just have to do now is to select it. Now give it a couple of seconds. You should also get a pop-up on your Samsung TV asking you to allow your phone control the TV. I have already done that before, so it is not going to pop up on my TV. But once you get it, just make sure you use your remote control, select on the accept button, and automatically you should now be able to control and basically use your phone as gamepad for your Samsung TV. And if you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.